How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get bigger forearms and wrists at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, my email is in the description box. Send me a quick email and we can talk more details about pricing and everything like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a forearm workout that you can do at home. This one exercise that we're going to do a workout for, again, it's only one exercise. It is going to seriously change the way your forearms are. Like, it completely helped me transform my forearms. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's pretty easy to do, but we're going to do a workout with it. You guys are going to like it. So let's get started right now. All you need in this video is a plate. If you don't have a plate, you can use a water jug. You can use anything as long as it has a handle. So again, weight isn't that important. What's important is volume. So as you guys can see, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hold the plate by my side, and all I'm going to do is curl upwards like so with the plate. So you guys can see my forearms working. You can actually see them very flexed when I do this, just like that. You can see them working right like this. So just like that, that's all we're doing. So we're going to do a workout with this, and we're going to do 10 repetitions followed by a 1 minute rest period. So let's do that right now, you guys. We're gonna get started. Follow along at home. So again, 1, 2, 3, and you can see my forearms really working. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. My forearms are already on fire, you guys, so that's a good sign. So I'll come in a little bit closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to take a 1 minute break, and then we're going to continue doing this, you guys. Do each side. It's very important. And yeah, we're just going to take a 1 minute break. Relax, you guys. You can do whatever you want. I'll tell you guys when it's time to do the next repetition, and then just make sure that you guys do that. Make sure you follow along at home. This will really help your guys' forearms. And my forearms, you guys, they are pretty developed from all of the training that I have been doing. So my forearms are pretty developed. You guys can get big forearms too. All you have to do is do this exercise. It will help you guys out. This exercise helped me hold 700 pounds in my hands for the deadlift. I can't deadlift 700 pounds, but I can hold it at the very top. Before, I was unable to barely do 275. So this exercise, through doing it for years and years and years, helped me develop that grip strength. So let's get started again, you guys. 1, 2, and again, all we're doing is curling upwards. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to do the next side. 1, 2, 3, and you guys can see the muscle. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 minute break. And this will help your forearms, you guys. So if you're having forearms issues, this will help your forearms your wrists. If you have small wrists, you want bigger wrists, this will help your wrists out. So again, the minute break, we're going to take that, then we're going to get back into it. Comment below, let me know what you guys think of these longer videos. I love making longer videos, you guys. I'm finding that my subscribers are liking it way better. You guys are liking it, so I'm going to keep doing that. Comment below, let me know what you guys think about the video. And yeah, we'll just keep going through it. 20 more seconds, then we will get back into it. Okay, let's get started, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just like that, 1 minute break. So yeah, you guys, my forearms are pretty jacked up right now. They're pretty sore. That just means that we're doing a very good job. We're going to keep it up. I have so many different forearm exercises that I can show you guys. All of them are very solid. I'm going to make way more videos for the forearms, so stay tuned. Keep watching the videos. Hopefully you guys are enjoying them. And again, I just like making videos, workout videos, showing the exercises that I do, because these are the exercises that I do. So if you guys follow what I'm doing, you're going to see results as well too. So just make sure you keep following along at home. So let's get started, you guys. 5 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 minute break. "30 more seconds, you guys, and then we will keep going." So if you're following along at home, great job. Give yourself a hand. This is a pretty tough workout, I'm not going to lie. Your forearms will be pretty jacked, and you're going to see some results, you guys. So just keep training, keep doing this. You're going to see some crazy results, you guys. Okay, so we're going to get to it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 minute break, you guys. Again, this video is going to be a little bit longer, but hopefully you guys do enjoy the longer videos, and we're going to keep doing it because this is how you build muscle. You got to get the volume in, and you guys can see the forearm being worked. "30 more seconds, you guys, then we'll do another set. This is probably going to be the last set because I want to talk to you guys a little bit about nutrition too, just to help you guys out so you can get that forearm muscle. So again, 15 more seconds, then we will do our final set. So get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, let's talk a little bit about nutrition, you guys, real quick. So when people talk about getting big forearms, and you guys can see from the video, like my forearms are very, very pumped up from doing that. So it was a good workout. When people want to get bigger forearms, they want to get bigger, The first thing that they should be doing is gaining weight, gaining size. You do that by weighing your food and tracking your calories, you guys. You need to track your calories if you want to see an increase. You've got to be in a caloric surplus. That is very important. That's the main tip that I will give you guys for nutrition. I don't want to drag the video on any longer, but any longer than it needs to be, I should say. But again, just make sure your diet is in place. You are tracking your calories and you are eating enough. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.